Welcome to my channel, Stacey Fowler Creations. I am Stacey Fowler. If this is your first time to my channel, a very special welcome. If this is not your first time to my channel, still a very special welcome. I'm just happy that you're here. So you're at my playlist, How to Teach Your Child to Read Quickly. Woohoo! All right. I'm at my ninth diagram today. What is that ninth diagram that I'll be using? Let's take a look. My ninth diagram is E and A. This diagram is very special. It makes two different sounds. If you need to know how to differentiate the sounds, please come back to this channel because I'll be only teaching one of the sounds today. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please click on the subscribe button, and while you're doing so, click on the notification bell so that you may be notified when I upload new work. I'm also going to beg of you, stay to the end of this video. I'll be sharing other resources that I use to teach my students how to read quickly. If you don't watch the video to the end, then you won't know of these resources. So let's get into our lesson for today. E and A make the sound E. No, I did not make a mistake. E and A do make the same sound as two E's. That's one of the sounds of E and A. So E and A make the sound E. E and A make the sound E. Now let's try this sound with some examples. My first example is eat, eat. And of course, you're going to pronounce the word eat. Well, not you, the students. So never forget that, my adults, you are never the one who will make the sound of the diagraph or the letters. It's always the child. And when the child pronounces the word correctly, you congratulate the child. And remember, your congratulations must be very exciting. Wow, you're very smart. How come you're so smart? You put this crazy dance in me when you do such smart things. You put this funny dance in me. Not crazy, you say funny, and let them do this funny dance and let them laugh. Okay, have fun while teaching your child or your students. If at the first try, the child or the student do not pronounce the word correctly, do not get upset. Still congratulate the child and say, good try. I know you can do it. You almost got it. Let's go again. Look at another word. So this is the word read, read. Pretty easy steps. As I said, stick to my channel. You'll have your child reading in no time. Let's look on another example. B, eat, b, eat. And our final example for today is l, eat, l, eat. For each word the child pronounces, you always congratulate the child. And if the child doesn't get it at first try, still say, good job, let's do it again. Do not get upset. We're now at the step where your child will do spellings and sentence writing. I've always encouraged my viewers to have a list of words on your flashcards and another list written somewhere that you'll use for spellings. After you give the spellings, give sentences, short sentences, 4 to 5 words with these words, and ask the child to read back the sentences to you. And you're going to see how their little faces just lit up with joy to know that they're able to read what they have written. If you need a way to make your flashcards virtually, please check the description below. There's a link there that I use to make my flashcards for my students and download it to my device. You see why I told you must stay to the end? And I still have you covered. If you need a list of words with this diagram, check the description again. I have a list of words that I use for my students. And I have sentences there. You see why I told you to stay to the end of this video? What do I need from you now? I have helped you. I'm begging for your help. Please, I'm begging you like pretty please. I've written and illustrated this fun educational fairy tale book that is available on Amazon. Check the description below for the link. It has about alphabet in there, on the letter sounds. Then it has a little about pronouns and nouns. You won't regret making a purchase of this book. So please make a purchase of the book. And when you do so, rate the book on Amazon. Thank you so much for watching my video to the end. If you think that this video is informative, then please subscribe, and while you click on that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you may be notified when I upload new work. Like and share my work. Let others know about these sounds that they can teach their students to read quickly. Let's spread the love of education around the world. Leave me a comment below as well so that I can know what step you have used and what level your child is at. Until next time, I love you. Bye bye. Mwah.